Hello everybody. Today I want to talk about how to use switch statements in DAX to split a range of numbers. As you know, switch works just with constant numbers and can make decision on constant numbers, but now we want to talk about how to split a range of numbers. For example, when the number is between 1 and 5, label it as green. When the number is between 6 and 10, label it as yellow, and so on. Come with me to see how to do this. So we want to split range of numbers to 4 parts, for example, and color them in different colors. There is a notice here that our parts has same length here. Okay, and to do this we should at first for a sample range, for example 1 to 100, that length of this range is 100, and we want to divide it into 4 parts. We want to split it into 4 parts. At first we should divide 100 by 4, that it equals 25. Memorize this number and we continue on Power BI. Okay, here in Power BI I imported a table of data that contains some provinces of Iran country and some coordinates that it's not important, and count of, for example, count of patients of COVID-19 there. So we want to color each province by its status and count of patients there. Provinces with lower patients or green, and more yellow, more orange, and more red color. At first, I create a temporary calculated column to see what I want to do. I create a new calculated column. You remember the 25 number, yeah? I call it TMP equals count column divide by 25, because we wanted to split this range to 4 parts. Look here, we have some numbers. Some of these numbers are 0 point, and some are, for example, 1.92, some are 2 point, and some are 3 point. Because I don't want to have 0, I just plus 1 the result to have 1 more here. Okay, 1.4, and here 4.96. Here I want to remove the float part of number and keep absolute part of number. So I can use int here to keep just integer part of it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I converted the range of number to constant numbers. So I can use this number in switch case and do everything that I want with it. So I can here write the switch statement, put what I put what I made in it. First value 1, first result green, 2 yellow. What we've done is so simple thing, but it's a mathematical trick that if you use helps you a lot. Orange, and finally 4 to red. We have final value as else, and we can put red here. And apply it. See that for 1 we have green, for 71 we have orange, for 97 we have red, and we've done what we wanted. Okay, we can put it on a visual and see it. For example, on a pie chart, we can put a temp on a legend and count of provinces on a value. Yeah. So we have some red is most repeated for 11 provinces, orange is next, and green and yellow. We can make a nice thing here by data colors and assigning the right color to each string. Red, maybe better red can be selected. Okay. Orange, green, we don't have green here, so we make green here. Okay, and yellow. Nice. Red points, orange, green, and yellow. We can show it on map too, because we have province data, and we can use field map here by putting province and location and putting GMP on the legend. Different parts of colored with different colors. Thank you for your attention and have a good time.